Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. So first head over to Google and type in Amazon affiliate. Click on the first link. Now here you'll be directed to the Amazon Associates official website. So we're going to click on sign up. So here you have to fill in your information. Click on next and add your information here, address, account, etc. And then so let's add a postal code. Let's click on next and then just select your phone number code. So next here you will have to add your website and complete your profile, and then you will start using Amazon Associates. So this is pretty much it, guys. We learned in few simple steps how to create an Amazon Associates account, and then you access any product Amazon and you will get to create your own affiliate link. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.